Hello, beautiful ladies. We did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers, and I say thank you, thank you, thank you. It means so much to me, more than you'll ever know. This whole year has been a fight. My income dropped, work has been unpredictable, and honestly, I took the last month off to just regroup and refocus because I just needed to breathe. But even in the struggle, the same strategies I've been sharing with you all year, saving tips, small investing steps, simple side hustles, cutting costs, they helped carry me and my family through. It helped to keep us afloat. And if you're going through it too, listen, you are not alone. I'm right here with you, and we are going to get through this together. We're going to rebuild together. To help you get clarity and start fresh, I'm giving you my free 7-day financial clarity starter kit. It is packed with simple steps to calm the chaos, organize your money, and create your comeback plan. I'm back, and new videos are coming your way very soon for the rest of the year. Real, raw, practical steps to help you survive and for us to thrive in this economy. Your comeback is still possible, ladies. Mine too. Grab your free 7-day financial clarity starter kit if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next video.